Hello everyone, if you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, we're going to be doing another video similar to last week's video. If you haven't checked it out, it's right here. It's the same thing. We're pretty much going to be teaching you guys how to play 5 songs using 4 open chords, namely this time it's going to be the C, G, A minor chord, as well as the F major chord, as well as using a capo. So as a beginner when it comes to playing the guitar, we're taught how to play open chords first, but sometimes it's just not enough, you know what I mean? You don't have really that much options when it comes to the songs that you can play, when it comes to those 4 chords only. But luckily, thanks to human invention and the advancements of technology, you know what I'm saying? We have these ones, which are called capos, which allows you to transpose the key of the chord progression that you're playing by 1 semitone up or 1 half step up. So that's 1 semitone or 1 half step up, 2 half steps up, 3 half steps up, and so on and so forth. Now some people have capos that you can screw to make it stick on the fretboard. Some people have ones that clip on the fretboard like so. It's up to your preference anyway, whatever works, you know what I'm saying? So a bit of a refresher first. The chords that we're going to be using in this video are going to be the C major chord. It's going to be this one right here. That's going to be a dead string right here. Now personally, I like to use my thumb to mute this string right here in the lower E string. And that's going to be dead string. It's going to be 3, 2, open, 1, then an open string in the high E string right here. But if that's a bit too hard, that's okay, because we only need these 4 chords anyway for the A, D, G, and the B strings right here. So you could play it like this without trying to really put any effort when it comes to playing the high E string. Or you can also include the high E string too, if you're just a bit advanced when it comes to playing the guitar. Next up is going to be the A minor chord. We're going to be leaving this index finger right here. They're going to be moving these 2 fingers right here. So when it comes to playing the A minor chord, we're going to be using our thumb once again to mute the lower E string. It's going to be an open string in the A string. It's going to be 2, 2, 1, then open here on the high E string. Or you could just mute it or not play it. Doesn't really matter in this stage anyway. Next up is going to be the F major chord. It's going to be like this. Once again, muting this string and muting the high E string as well. We don't really need it that much for this video. Just for this video. This is for beginners. I'm just trying to help you out. So yeah, so it's going to be dead string, open, 3, 2, 1, then dead string. Yeah, you know what I mean? Dead string using your thumb, open string, 3rd fret on the D string, 2nd fret on the G string, then 1st fret on the B string. That's going to be dead string, open, 3, 2, 1, then dead string. Then lastly, everyone's favorite chord, it's going to be the G major chord. Just sounds nice, you know what I'm saying? It's going to be 3, 2, open, open, 3, then 3. So all in all, we have the C major chord, we have the A minor chord, we have the F major chord, then we have the G major chord. C, A minor, F, and G. Very nice. So before we get into that, cue the disclaimer. So the songs that I'm going to be teaching you guys in this video are the songs that I grew up with. So if it seems outdated, it's because they are, so chill. I'm 24. And the chord progressions that we're going to be using for the songs in this video won't be the same structure. They will use the same chords, but the order in which we're going to be playing them will vary bit by bit when it comes to the songs that we're playing. And they won't sound the exact same as the way that the original artists or musicians played the songs, but it should be fine given that we're just beginners and we just want to jam out with these songs anyway, so it should be fine just playing it with the capo and the open chords. This is kind of like the EC alternative, just want to jam out versions with your friends kind of thing, so yeah, it's a nice start when it comes to playing songs with your guitar. And before we begin, please do not forget to leave a like, subscribe, ring the notification bell. And I'm also just going to be teaching mainly just the choruses for these songs. So if you guys want a specific, more detailed breakdown for each individual songs, just comment it down below as well, so I can make a separate guitar tutorial videos for those too. And yeah, that's it. Let's go straight into it.
I don't wanna live forever, 'cause
just wanna keep calling your name till you come back home. I just wanna keep calling your name. You seem like the type to love a believer and disappear right after the song. So give me the night to show you, hold you. Don't leave me here dancing alone. You can't make up your mind, 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 mind. Please don't waste my time, 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 time. I'm not trying to rewind, wind, 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 wind. I wish our hearts would come together as one. Cause shawty is a eeny, meeny, miny, mo lover. 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 Whoa. This love is treacherous. This path is reckless. This love is treacherous. And now I like it. It's too late to apologize. It's too late. I said it's too late to apologize. It's too late. I said it's too late to apologize. Yeah. I said it's too late to apologize. Yeah. Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. You seem like the type to love a believer and disappear right after the song. So give me the night to show you, hold you. Don't leave me